Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Buick LaCrosse. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. Waterfall chrome grille definitely adds a sharp feel on the front end. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside you have leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains, tears, anything like that on any of the seats here. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power locks, windows, and mirrors here on the door. Taking a look inside now, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.